Hello there, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this delicious Ghanaian garden egg stew or eggplant stew. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, you can use eggplant or aubergine. And like I said, I'm making Ghanaian garden egg stew, so I'll be using garden eggs. I'll cut the head of the garden egg and then I'll slice it in half. I'll repeat it for all of the garden eggs. After that, I'll rinse my garden eggs and then we'll begin to cook it. So to my pot here, I'm adding in my garden eggs and then I have here my turkey berries. This is about 2 cups of turkey berries. And then I will add water. Now, I highly recommend you add turkey berries to this recipe. It is healthy and it takes the stew to another level. To my food processor, I'll blend onion, habanero peppers, ginger, and garlic. I'll add water and then we blend. I'll be using canola oil for this recipe. You can use palm oil or any oil of choice. I'll add in my salted fermented fish or momoni. I'll then add in my koobi or salted tilapia and then we'll give it a nice stir. I'll leave this to fry for a good 5 to 7 minutes, stirring periodically, and then I'll be adding in my sliced onion. If today is your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. After adding in my onion, I allowed it to fry for about 5 minutes and then added in my blended vegetables. I also allowed it to fry for about 5 minutes and I'm adding in my tomato paste and sliced tomato. I'll give it a nice stir and leave this to fry for a good 10 minutes, stirring periodically. Now on this channel, we share African and American recipes that you can make for your families. You can as well follow me on all social media platforms. We're on Facebook, Abinasia Recipes, Instagram, Abinasia Recipes, and TikTok, Abinasia Recipes. Thank you so much. At this point, I'll move on to check my eggplant and turkey berries. I'll check it with my spoon and it has nicely cooked. So I'll remove it from flame, strain the water, and then I'll be grinding this in my earthenware. Yes, this is a traditional way. So I'll be using a grinding stick to grind this in my earthenware. You can as well use a food processor if you don't have this earthenware, but I highly recommend you do it this way, guys. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thanks for always sharing my videos and commenting. God bless you. At this point, the stew is very well fried, so I'll add in my mushrooms. You can add in any vegetables of choice. I'll add in my smoked mackerel and carrots. I'll give it a nice stir. I'll cover it and allow it to fry for about 5 minutes and I'll be stirring periodically. After 5 minutes, I'll come in with my eggs. This is about 4 eggs that I've cracked and then we'll be adding it to it. You can add more or less. I'll gently stir this and then we'll cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll come back in and give it a nice stir. If you have not hit the post notification bell, please kindly do me a favor and do so that whenever I upload any new videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Our stew is very well fried now, so I'll be adding in my grinded garden eggs and turkey berries, guys, and then we'll stir it up beautifully. Once everything is nicely stirred together, I'll leave this to fry for a good 5 to 10 minutes, stirring periodically. I have not added any salt or any star cube. Now with all the salted tilapia and the salted fermented fish, guys, this stew does not need any salt or any star cube. It is perfect the way it is because you want to keep it healthy and delicious. Now, what would you pair this garden egg stew with? I'll be pairing mine with boiled yam and plantain. You can as well enjoy it with rice, bangkun, kenke, name it, any starch of choice. The outcome of this stew was so delicious. We enjoyed every bit of it. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Please kindly share this video with your friends and your community. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.